In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable slow mode in Discord. Slow mode is a simple but powerful tool that helps keep busy conversations readable by spacing out how often people can send messages. It's great for preventing spam during lively moments, running structured Q&A sessions, or giving everyone a fair chance to be heard. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server and the exact text channel where you want to slow things down. Slow mode is set per channel, so make sure you're inside the channel that needs the change. If you manage multiple channels, you'll repeat this process for each one you want to adjust. Next, look to the channel list for the small gear icon next to your chosen channel's name. Click that gear to open the channel settings. If you don't see the gear or can't open settings, you may not have the necessary permissions on that server, so check with an admin or server owner. Inside Channel Settings, you'll land on the Overview tab. Here, find the section labeled Slow Mode or Slow Mode Cooldown. You'll see a slider that controls how long members must wait before sending another message in that channel after they've just sent one. Drag the slider to choose a cooldown that fits your situation. Shorter times, like 5 seconds, gently pace conversations. Around 30 seconds helps during fast-moving chats when things start to flood. 1 minute or longer works well for announcements, feedback rounds, or when you want thoughtful, less frequent replies. Depending on your version of Discord, the slider can range from a few seconds up to several hours. Keep in mind, slow mode typically doesn't affect moderators or admins with higher-level permissions, so they can still step in quickly if needed. Also, slow mode only controls how often messages can be sent. It doesn't mute users, block reactions, or limit edits. If someone tries to post before their cooldown ends, they'll see a timer telling them how long they need to wait. Once you've set the cooldown you want, make sure to click Save Changes. This step applies the setting to the channel. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't take effect. After saving, return to the channel and keep an eye on the flow. You can come back to the same slider anytime to fine-tune the cooldown or turn it off if the conversation calms down. Remember, this change affects only the channel you edited and won't impact other channels on the server. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy moderating.